Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to have a discussion on Google Chrome feature. Sometimes you probably know when you have many tabs open and suddenly a video starts playing around. So Google has given us a speaker icon on the tab where we can mute that sound onto your Google Chrome. Type here Chrome Flex, search here enable. So we are looking for tab audio muting user interface control. It will be set as default. I'm disabling. Just relaunch it to take the effect, and now we are done. So this was a very quick tutorial. Thanks for watching.